I don't know what's going on, but we're going to Abu Dhabi. So we basically arrived at 2 a.m. last night here in Abu Dhabi. What's basically happening is Beautiful Destinations and the Abu Dhabi Tourism Board partnered up and hosted an event to invite 10 people all together to just pretty much explore Abu Dhabi, and that's it. It's not like we're required to do anything, but we're just invited. So I guess we're just gonna have fun.
Yeah!
So we were together in Kyoto for about 3 days, and now we're here in Abu Dhabi together.
It was just like 3 days ago, and now
he skipped the midterm to hang out with me in Kyoto.
Okay, don't say that. Don't say.
But yeah, it's crazy. We're here in Abu Dhabi together.
Yep.
I don't know what's going on, but
I have no idea what's going on.
We'll come round and hold me like you do.
Day one, I guess, for our trip. We were at the Louvre for about an hour. We've made it to the dunes here, and we're gonna be like sandboarding, going on camels, and shooting sunset, I guess, in the desert. Yeah, we're super hyped, and we're about to go to the camels right now. Just check it out. Last night we had so much fun at the dunes. We were given the opportunity to go camel riding and dune bashing, but for today there's not really a set schedule. Basically we can do whatever we want, so I guess we're going to do all the touristy stuff, go to the Emir's Palace and the Grand Sheikh Mosque. It's funny because in fact I was staying at that hotel last time I came here because yeah, I was staying there because I had my friend that lived there. Just like that, we made it to the mosque here. It's beautiful. Hello! It's so bright out here. There's just so much to shoot in this country that it's really incredible. It's my second time coming here, but I'm always like overwhelmed by how this place is. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up! So this morning we've come down to the beach here in the Heritage Village. It's near the Emir's Palace. But yeah, overall it's gonna be a chill morning here, but I'm super stoked for this afternoon because we're gonna have the Grand Pixel Race. But for now, I guess we're just gonna do a lot of filming at the beach. Let's go! You excited?
Oh yeah, I'm excited.
I'm not a big fan of cars, but I'm super excited about this race. The hype is real, the hype is real. How's the race, man? Great. You good? Thanks. How's the race?
Oh, it's like I gotta understand the rules though.
Same here. I didn't get the rules, but it was really fun, I guess. At least we saw Lewis Hamilton doing his stuff, you know. It was epic though.
Alright,
Okay.
really good. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, yeah.
You're the
Thank you
best
so much, yeah.
Alright, we said goodbye to the best driver in the world. So we're gonna check in and we're gonna go back to Japan. And we are about to do some work.
Work.
Yeah!
Ah, back to reality.
Is everything good? Is everything good, man?
Yo, where's my Red Bull?
Yeah, it was over there. Let's go. So we are on this plane and we are heading back to Tokyo. And just in case we had a lot of work, so we bought Red Bull and we are gonna drink this together. Wait, I didn't even say anything yet. Checking the Red Bull. Oh shit. You just drink.
Time to edit, guys. Time to edit.
Oh my god, such a dumb.
And just like that, we wrapped up our trip in Abu Dhabi. We just landed in Tokyo after a 9-hour flight. But yeah, we actually have a gig this afternoon, so we better hurry up. We're super exhausted, but we're really thankful for Beautiful Destinations and VisitAbuDhabi for hosting this event. This trip gave me a whole new perspective of Abu Dhabi, and I highly recommend everyone to visit if they have the opportunity to. I guess that's it for now. Yeah, I have a feeling this video is not going to be that good, but yeah, hopefully it's entertaining. And that's it for now.